Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. Today we've got this 2011 Honda CR-V. It's a 2 litre petrol model, so it's the iVtec with the fully automatic gearbox. It's finished in urban titanium grey, or stroke brown. It's just locked itself there. It's the EX model, so it's the top spec, got all the options. Just under 82,000 miles, 10 services, and a very, very, very well kept car. It's got the xenon lights on the front. Got the 18-inch alloys, but they've all got 4 really good tyres. It's got the folding mirrors, the big glass roof, privacy glass. As you can see, condition-wise is superb. It's got front and rear parking sensors along with reverse camera. Got the colour-coded mud flaps. It looks really well. Some of these CR-Vs are a bit boring, a bit bland. But this one looks the business. Comes fully serviced, new MOT, 3 months warranty. Inside it's got the black leather, which is heated. I'll show you that in a second, but we'll start in the boot as usual. So in the boot, we've got your load cover, which attaches to your rear seats across the top. And then in the CR-Vs, you get a split floor. This is totally removable, usually gets lost, but it is with this one. And your normal boot floor. Really big boot when that's out, but also a nice feature to have, loading your shopping up with your heavy bits on the bottom and your bread on the top, for example anyway. Inside, super clean and tidy. Our main valet is off at the moment, so I've valeted this myself, so if it's not up to scratch, I apologise. But it is very good. It's got the armrest in the back, Isofix, and as I mentioned, the rear seats are reclining. Got electric windows in the back as well. And in the front, you've got that 3-spoke multi-function steering wheel, so it turns left and right. That's a terrible joke, but you've got your cruise control and all your audio, Bluetooth controls there. Armrest on the front seats. The front seats are like captain seats. Driver's one is electric. All your switch gears really nice. Your folding mirrors and mirror controls there. As I mentioned, the seats are heated. Your controls are there in the centre. It does have the navigation and the media centre. We'll just start the car to begin with. Sure, there's no warning lights. Let you have a listen to the engine. So as you see there, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. Seatbelt lights obviously still on for me. The mileage is 81949, so just a smidgen under 82,000, which is really good for the age of the vehicle. As I say, you've got your cruise control just here. This is all for your onboard computer, your telephone, Bluetooth, voice activation and stereo controls. In the centre you've got dual climate control. There you go, you can see it a bit better now. Fully automatic model with your navigation up here, which is all working, as you can see there. We swap it to audio. You've got your FM radio, your CD, auxiliary input, and what it calls a card. There is also a USB connection in the glove box. It's a motorised screen. I believe you can put a disc in there. There you go, look, you get your disc in. Single CD, navigation DVD, and then a PC card if you're really interested and up to date with your tech. I am not. In the centre, you've got the cup holders, the storage, which is massive. Handbooks are just here, as you can see. Further storage down there. Got the top glove box with the USB and the bottom glove box just there. Auto dipping mirrors and twin glass roof. That's quite dirty. Oh, I missed that. I will sack myself. And that's really it. Oh, parking sensors, headlight wash and Also reverse cam, really nice clear picture on that, much better than some of the modern stuff. Anyway, that concludes the video. If you would like to arrange to view it, test drive it, have a look, whatever you want to do, give us a call, 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.